Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Thinkific for membership site onboarding, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Thinkific account. Navigate to the admin dashboard. Select the site option from the left-hand menu. Click on onboarding under the site settings. To create a new onboarding experience, click on Create Onboarding. Choose the template that best fits your membership site's needs. Customize the title of your onboarding experience to reflect its purpose. Add an introductory description to give users context on what to expect. Select the desired onboarding modules you wish to include. These may consist of video tutorials, written guides, or quizzes. Set the visibility options for each module based on user access levels. Choose whether to make each module mandatory or optional for completion. Once your modules are selected, move on to customizing the content. For each module, upload the relevant files or videos. Ensure that all links and resources are functioning correctly. Incorporate engaging visuals to enhance the user experience. Review the sequence of the modules to ensure logical flow. Consider adding checkpoints or milestones throughout the onboarding process. This helps users gauge their progress and stay motivated. Preview the onboarding experience to see how it appears from a user's perspective. Make necessary adjustments based on your preview. Once satisfied, save your changes. Enable the onboarding experience for your membership site. To do this, return to the onboarding settings and toggle the availability. Communicate the onboarding process to your members through email or announcements. Monitor user engagement and collect feedback post-onboarding. Adjust the content based on user interactions and suggestions over time. Continually improve the onboarding process to keep it relevant and effective. With these steps, you are now ready to configure a comprehensive onboarding experience on Thinkific for your membership site. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.